Hello everyone, in this video I'll solve one more previous year GATE question on this topic, relative density. Okay, this relative density actually it is a directly formula based question only. I suffix d is equal to E max minus E by E maximum minus E minimum. E max minus E by E maximum minus E minimum. This formula actually we have to remember. So what has been asked in the question, a given cohesionless soil has E max is equal to 0.85. So what has been given in the question? E max he has given. E max is equal to 0.85. E min is equal to 0.5. E min is equal to 0.5. And also what he has given, in the field the soil is compacted to a mass density of 1800 kg per meter cube. That means density, bulk density is also he has given. So 1800 kg per meter cube at a water content of 8%. So water content is also given. Water content is equal to 0.08, and density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, so GS means specific gravity of soil solids. GS is equal to 2.7. So in order to calculate the relative density, we have E max he has given, E min he has given. So the void ratio in the natural state we have to find out by using these parameters. Okay, by using these parameters. Actually what we are having formula to calculate E is equal to G in gamma W by gamma D minus 1. G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So we know that bulk density, we know the water content. So gamma D can be calculated. So from that we can calculate E. Okay. So E is equal to G, how much he has given? G is G 2.7 he has given, into gamma W, how much he has given? Density of water 1000 kg per meter cube. 1000 kg per meter cube. And then so here gamma D is there. Okay, gamma D, how we can calculate? Bulk density by 1 plus water content. Okay, bulk density by 1 plus water content. So bulk density is how much? 1800 divided by water content 0.08. That means 8%. 1800 divided by 1 plus 0.08. Okay, minus 1. From this E can be calculated. 2.7 into 1000, that means 2700 into 1.08 divided by 1800 minus 1. So E is coming around 0.62. So relative density or density index ID is equal to E max 0.85, E min 0.5. E max 0.85 minus void ratio in the natural state, just now we found out, that is 0.62. So again E max 0.85, again E min 0.5. Okay, multiplied by 100, because we will be expressing this relative density in terms of percentage. So 0.85 minus 0.62 divided by 0.85 minus 0.5 into 100. So relative density it is coming around 65.714 percentage. So id is equal to 65.714 percentage. Only this formula we have to remember. Relative density or density index can be given as void ratio, that is maximum void ratio minus void ratio in the natural state divided by maximum void ratio minus void ratio in the minimum state. Okay, minimum void ratio when we will be getting, when the soil is densely packed. When we will be getting the maximum void ratio when the soil is loosely packed. Okay, that I have already discussed in the previous video. So this is about this problem. In the next video we'll solve one more previous year gate question. Thank you. So if you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well.